to highlight text in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and click on text. Add your text. Add a heading, subheading, or little bit of body text. After that, simply go to Elements and search for shapes. Click on any shape you want. Resize the shape to your text. After you've resized it, simply click on the shape option and you'll find three dots on top right. Go to Possession. Possession settings will be shown on left. Then go to Layers and click on third option, which is the background. After that, again select the shape, and beside Edit you'll find Color option. Select the highlight color you want, and top right you'll find Transparency. You can adjust that as well. After that, you're good to go. That's how to highlight text in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.